अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन। आज हम देखेंगे वर्ल्ड न्यूज़ एजेंसीज। फर्स्ट है जी आप ऑस्ट्रेलिया। ऑस्ट्रेलिया एसोसिएटेड प्रेस इज़ द न्यूज़ एजेंसी ऑफ ऑस्ट्रेलिया। AFP एजेंस फ्रांस प्रेस इज़ द न्यूज़ एजेंसी ऑफ फ्रांस। ANA MPA एथेंस मैकडोनियन न्यूज़ एजेंसी इज़ द न्यूज़ एजेंसी ऑफ ग्रीक। एंगोप Angola press agency is the news agency of Angola. ANSA Agenzia and Nazionale Stampa Società is the news agency of Italy. Antara is the news agency of Indonesia. AP is the news agency of United Nations, United States. AWP Associated Press of Pakistan is the news agency of Pakistan. ATA Albanian Telegraphic Agency is the news agency of Albania. APS Algeri Press Service is the news agency of Algeria. Bakhtar is the news agency of Afghanistan. Bernama is the news agency of Malaysia. BNA is the news agency of Bahrain. BWS Bangladesh. Sangbad Sangstha is the news agency of Bangladesh. CNA Central News Agency is the news agency of Taiwan. CNS China News Service is the news agency of Hong Kong. CTK is the news agency of Czech Republic. TPA Deutsche Press Agentur is the news agency of Germany. ENA Ethiopian News Agency is the news agency of Ethiopia. FIDE is the news agency of Vatican City. INA Hrvatska Izvjestania Novinska Agencija is the news agency of Croatia. IRNA Islamic Republic News Agency is the news agency of Iran. ITIM is the news agency of Israel. LANA is the news agency of Libya. KCNA Korean Center News Agency is the news agency of North Korea. KNA is the news agency of Kenya. CUNA Kuwait News Agency is the news agency of Kuwait. Kyodo is the news agency of Japan. LATA is the news agency of Latvia. MAP is the news agency of Morocco. MENA Middle East News Agency is the news agency of Egypt. MTI is the news agency of Hungary. NAN News Agency of Nigeria is the news agency of Nigeria. NNA National News Agency is the news agency of Lebanon. Notimax is the news agency of Mexico. NTB is the news agency of Norway. ONA is the news agency of Oman. PAB Polish Press Agency is the news agency of Poland. Petra is the news agency of Jordan. PNA is the news agency of Philippines. PPI Pakistan Press International is the news agency of Pakistan. PTI Press Trust of India is the news agency of India. QNA Qatari News Agency is the news agency of Qatar. Reuters is the news agency of United Kingdom. Rampress is the news agency of Romania. Saba is the news agency of Yemen. Sana Syria Arab News Agency is the news agency of Syria. SAPA is the news agency of South Africa. Selena Sierra Leone News Agency is the news agency of Sierra Leone. SPA Saudi Press Agency is the news agency of Saudi Arabia. Tanjog is the news agency of Serbia. TAB Agence Tunis Afrique Press is the news agency of Tunis. TAS is the news agency of Russia. TT is the news agency of Sweden. UNI United News of India is the news agency of India. UPI United Press International is the news agency of United States. VNA is the news agency of Vietnam. VAM is the news agency of UAE. Xinhua is the news agency of China. Yonhap is the news agency of South Korea. Ziana Zimbabwe Inter Africa News Agency is the news agency of Zimbabwe. Video like करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब